guys, welcome back to Be You Natural. My name is Alicia and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Shea Butter mix. Now, I'm going to start by telling you the ingredients that I use. And the first ingredient obviously is the Shea Butter. It's the natural Shea Butter, 100% natural. I usually like to buy this on Amazon. You can find them in some beauty supply stores, but not a lot of them have the organic Shea Butter. So make sure when you do buy the Shea Butter that it says 100% natural, and it also is only Shea Butter, nothing else, no added ingredients. So this is the first ingredient that we're going to be using. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove some of this and put it in the bowl first. Now, depending on how much you want, obviously, is going to determine how much Shea Butter you should use. So depending on how much you want is how much you use. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use about half of this jar. So I'm going to put half of that in there. A little bit more than half, but that's okay. Alright. Second ingredient that I like to use is castor oil. Now the second ingredient I'm going to use is castor oil. I like to use castor oil because this is a known product to help with hair growth, moisturizing your hair, the scalp mainly, and just restarting hair growth. So like for those of you who have different issues with your edges or anything around your scalp like that, castor oil is a good ingredient. But you have to make sure that you do not put a lot of this because it is very potent and the smell is very strong. So I usually like to put about 2 tablespoons of that into my mixture. The next ingredient is coconut oil. So coconut oil is also a good moisturizer. It is known to be one of the best products to use on your skin as well as on your hair. So I'm going to put in about 2 to 3 scoops of a big spoon. I like to put a lot of coconut oil into my Shea Butter mix, mainly because I know that it helps with keeping my hair moisturized, and that's what my hair needs. Sometimes other people's hair have different needs, so if you know that your hair is if you know your hair retains moisture then fairly easily, then you don't need to use so much coconut oil. But if your hair is like dry and it gets dry easily, then you can put as much as you think you need. But usually 2 to 3 scoops, like a scoop like this big, you can use to put into your mix. So this is number 3. So the last ingredient that I'll be using today is olive oil. Olive oil is great because it has omega-3 fatty acids. It's very rich in that, and that helps with removing a lot of damage that's caused by air pollutants, the sun. This is a very good oil just to add for providing or enriching your hair with some vitamins that you wouldn't normally get with other products that you would buy, or an authentic olive oil. So this is the brand that I use for my hair. It's called Iberia, and you can find this in any grocery store. I usually get this in Walmart. Olive oil is fairly expensive, so if you do have a budget for olive oil, I would suggest getting this one because it is a good price. I think I bought it for about $7. So I'm going to be pouring in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. Okay guys, so now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, I'm going to be mixing it up. Now, you can choose to do it manually, but I recommend using a hand blender. It allows you to get that fluffy feeling and as well as mix up the ingredients efficiently. So I start on a low speed just to break it up. at first, and you know, kind of just loosen it up. The shea butter is usually the most difficult to mix, and then we're going to kind of increase that speed. As you can see, it's getting nice and fluffy, and this is the consistency that you kind of want. You know, it's kind of like baking a cake, you know, making sure all that mixture is in there and everything is mixing well. So I'm just going to speed this up now, because now that everything seems to be mixed. And if you want something thicker, you'll put less oil. If you want it to be thinner, then you put more oil. The oil kind of determines how thick the shea butter mixture will be at the end of the day. If you want like that lotiony feel, that thick feeling for your hair, like if your hair is thick and you know, then you can put like you can put a little bit of oil. So as you can see, it's becoming nice and fluffy. I'm just gonna speed up this a little bit more. So now that we've got done, I can just show you how thick it is. Me personally did not use a lot of oil. So with the ingredients that and the measurements that I told you to use, this is the consistency you would get. If you want to look at the whole bowl, this is, if you want to look at and see how it looks, how it should look, this is the consistency you want for your shea butter. Alright guys, that is all for how to make the shea butter mix. If you have any questions below, you get stuck, you can comment below and I will gladly answer any of your questions. Also, if you want to add like a certain scent, you can get some essential oils. I only recommend putting in a couple of drops. Do not overdo it, because then you walk around smelling like a flower party. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment below. Remember to be you, natural. Beep, beep, beep.